Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here with round two of demoing the Honda for parts for this here Reaper mini chopper. In the first video we were able to do quite a bit of work. We got the handlebars off, we tore into the front end quite a bit there, we got the fender off, we take the headlights off, the directionals. The video ends with us getting the rear fender and taillights off, and here we go on the exhaust.
What are the odds? Oh yeah, baby. It's amazing what a little PB blaster.
Can you hear the whispers in my soul? Can you feel the pain that I behold? Or can you understand what's going on? So much has changed since you
Think these are gonna come out just as easy? Maybe. Yep.
I wish that I could see your face, but now it's just an empty space that I'm looking through, looking for you. They say that only time can heal, but do they know the way that I feel? 'Cause it's killing me inside. I hope you're somewhere safe and warm. I hope they give you shelter from
I can't believe how everything's coming off of this thing so easily.
I hope you're looking down on me.
Oh yeah. Something was living in there.
I'm trying to be the best I can be.
Let's take that off. Well, is it worth taking that off?
Now it's just an
Probably not,
empty
huh?
space that I'm looking through, just looking for you. They say that only time can heal. They don't know the way that I feel, 'cause it's killing me inside. Can you hear the whispers in my soul? Can you feel the pain that I behold? Or can you understand what's going on? So much changed since you have gone.
Oh, really? Beautiful. Well, I don't know how much of this thing actually recorded, but I got this off. Maybe use it for, I don't know, wire box, or maybe even for the airbox. I don't know. Maybe for a toolbox. But I saved it. We're gonna try and use it. Zoom that in. I don't know if you saw me take everything's coming off of this thing gravy. So, of course, the bolts are off. But, you know. And I mean all the good stuff is missing. But, I don't know. We'll call it garage art. Even this bolt is loose. It's like this bike was taken apart and never reassembled properly. That one.
Alrighty, there we go. One strip bike. There ain't much left on that. I'll probably end up using at least the front tire, because that thing looks brand new. But it can stay on there for now. I put that set of handlebars on there just for make it easier to roll it around the neighborhood here. But there we go. This is what we got off of it. We'll start from the top up here. We got the air box, and what looks like some type of fuel filter or vacuum filter. I don't know what's on there. But either way, we got the headlight, carburetor that pretty much is wall art because it's missing the top part, which is most needed. You know, so without that, this thing's junk. But anywho, it'd make garage art, and maybe some of the parts off of it be useful on another carburetor somewhere sometime. Well, we got the this here's the signal relay for the directionals. We got a couple of signal relay for the directional. We got a couple of reusable wire ties, a whole wire harness with the rectifier and the starter solenoid, set of ape hangers, mini apes rather, that will be the first set of handlebars to go on to the Reaper mini chopper there. And then down here we got headlights and directional with a horn, who knows, bucket of bolts. You got the shifter, the shifter lever and the kickstart lever, the brake lever, some pegs, get the battery box right there, battery box, ignition with the with the dashboard on it. Who knows what we'll do with that? But we got the helmet lock here and everything. That with the key that works. And this key also works in the ignition. So, well, it does work. I know it does work. Why it don't work right now? It's probably just because I have the camera in my hand. Well, I recorded an outro for this, but of course, the camera monkeys got it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.